Good morning all, Wild Weather here for liveweatherblogs.com. Just a quick nowcast update. It's coming up on 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been up off and on tonight, last night, looking at things. Right now, currently in Media, Pennsylvania, it's 27.5 degrees. Snow that was falling moderate to heavy at times up through about the 3:30 time frame has now switched over to a combination, mostly light freezing rain, a few sleet pellets, and a few snowflakes. So you see this drying took place. Anywhere that you're on the edge of that drying, the dynamics are such that snow has changed to freezing rain. As you see, there's a back edge coming up through here. Bradford to Pittsburgh is sinking southeast. In time, this area here will probably most likely change back to snow as the cold air is pretty um, overwhelming, and I'll show you that in a moment. Right now, at the surface that is, but aloft, some warming has gotten up into this area right in here, and it's always been pretty warm aloft down in here. So you're probably getting some freezing rain in this area. Be careful on the roads. Northern Delaware, you're getting to this dry slot here, maybe a little bit of light freezing drizzle. As this comes down, more snow will rain or freezing rain will change to snow probably. It'll never change over in this area here, and you'll probably just continue to get snow. 2.6 inches of snow has fallen in Media. Surrounding areas are probably the same about. Probably when you get up in this area up here, it's colder. Snow ratios are higher. Probably a general 3 to 5 inches of snow, I'm thinking, has fallen up in here, and probably another inch or two to go. So the 4 to 7, sorry about that, the 4 to 7 inch forecast up in this area seems probably like it's going to work out. Philadelphia, the 1 to 3 inch stripe in here, that also seems like it's going to work out. 2.6 inches of Media again. We got the late freezing rain. Be very careful. This is the time I thought would be dangerous, right around the 7 o'clock hour with the freezing rain and sleet. And then it's probably likely that the cold air comes back in aloft and changes back to snow again. And you're probably looking at an end time in the area, probably sometime at 11 or 11:30 or so. Generally speaking, 1 to 3 inches down in here. Maybe a couple spots get just slightly over 3 inches, depending on how this holds together back in here. 4 to 7 still looks decent up in here. Down in South Jersey, as you can see, there's really not much of anything going on, just some rain departing. It'll stay rain down here, maybe a couple snowflakes or sleet pellets as this comes down, but basically if you're in this area here outside of some freezing rain and sleet pellets, the storm is over. If you're in this area, freezing drizzle, freezing rain to sleet, and then probably back to snow again as the cold air comes back in aloft. Looks to deal up in here, maybe an additional inch or inch and a half or so of snow if that does happen. Up in here, snow will continue. 1 to 2, perhaps as many as 3 inches will fall, and 4 to 7 inches looks likely at this point. Back to handweather.com, here are current temperatures. Above freezing, Dover to Atlantic City. Basically, you draw a line like this here. You're out of the woods for wintry precipitation, Dover to Atlantic City. North and west of there, though, 27 up here in Toms River, 27 in Philadelphia, 30 in Washington, Baltimore area here. This area, points north and west, will not get above freezing during this storm. Any precipitation will be wintry, whether it be freezing rain, sleet, and then back to snow. This area up in here, Harrisburg to Allentown, points north, even the places in between, just north and west of, say, Radnor, Pennsylvania, on Delaware County, to Coatesville, Downingtown area, points north and west from there will probably remain snow. So that's what we're looking at right now. If you're out on the roads, please be careful. Um, if they're not treated and you got this snow, you know, and the freezing rains on top of that, you want to be careful. If you are looking to shovel your snow, I would probably wait. If you're in this area right in here, I would probably wait until the storm's over to do any shoveling, because if you shovel the snow, you expose that cold ground that's below freezing, it'll become an ice skating rink. But then again, maybe you like that. So, but if you want to be safe, keep the snow on the ground for traction. When the storm passes, probably after 11 o'clock or so, you'll be able to start shoveling. This is wild weather for liveweatherblogs.com. Looks like the forecast for most people here has worked out. I'm just hoping that you have a safe morning and a commute to work if you have to work, and have a great day.